Are you sure? You ready? Alright, here we go. Yes, baby?
I'm almost there.
I know.
I'm looking out the glass. I'm getting on the camera. Now what? We got my wheels dirty.
That's okay. We can clean your wheels. Sorry if they're dirty.
Okay. Now how many days do my wheels have to be cleaned? You push me?
You need me to get you push start? Here's your push start. You need another one? Are you good?
I'm good.
Okay.
Ooh, pretty flowers. Well, a crystal flowers are really nice. It's not ready.
That's right.
Not ready, because all the flowers are ready. Oh yeah, I'll make it stay.
Uh-oh, big bumps. Whoa, be careful. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at those little legs go.
You get one, then the other. One, then the other. Dad, get all the way from here, because I'm almost there.
I'm going to get there, don't worry. Keep your foot on. Gotcha. Hey, love you.